Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to make your TikTok account private. Here's how to do it. Open your TikTok app, click on your profile, click on the three lines at the top right corner, click on settings and privacy. Now go to privacy. At the top you're going to see where it says private account. With a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. So turn this on. When you turn that on, when someone follows you on TikTok, you have to approve it first before the person can see the content you have on your profile. So that's how you make your account private on TikTok. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.